Welcome to another video in this series of Trading Japan's Energy Markets, sponsored by my good friends at JPX. So in this video, I want to highlight what I view a coming attraction come later this spring, maybe summer, that I believe is going to change how energy and carbon work together in the Japan markets. So let me start with JPX. Under one umbrella, you've got, of course, the stock market. And then you got the energy commodities, electric futures, gas futures, oil futures, etc. In addition, JPX was anointed by METI to run the carbon market, which they're currently running in a test mode or a practice mode, if you will, that is planned to launch either on or soon after April 1st, 2023, starting with the J credits. So let me back up here a minute. So the reason the carbon market exists is if you may or may not know, Japan passed a law called net zero. That essentially means it's a law that they will be carbon neutral or carbon zero by 2050. So that's led METI to drive various changes, including creation of this carbon market. So to go along with the carbon market, they got commitments. METI created something called the GX League, which is just shy of 600 of Japan's largest emitting carbon companies, or call it the industrials in Japan. So JPX, of course, has that potential of these 600 odd companies, either trading directly or through a trading company, very likely, carbon credits. So how's that relationship work for the energy markets? So again, let me back up to a prior video and earlier in August 2022, where METI passed new rules that allowed market-based pricing, which if you're anywhere else in the world is how everybody else does it. But it's basically now power prices are based on a market, JPX, or in this case, TOCOM futures, as you can go out and hedge. So now you can see where that's driving more hedging activity on TOCOM, or certainly will be. We're starting to see increases. But you can start to see where the marriage of going to these 600 and even more industrials and say, okay, let me offer you a package or a bundle of commodity of electricity, including J credits, to allow them or enable them to achieve their carbon reduction stated goals that they've given to METI. So you can start to see with the bundle of the carbon credits and the power prices going into the future under one roof at JPX is where I believe there's going to be a significant change in how the Japan market works. Why am I telling you this at the end of 2022, when the fund probably really begins in April? Because I think it's critical to get in now. Get signed up with TOCOM under the JPX. Get your clearing thing set up. JPX will help you with all this. They got English-speaking people if that's what you need. So doing it in English is not a problem. So, but study the rules, be prepared. So when the opportunities start knocking, you're there, you're ready. So I hope you take advantage of that. Thanks for watching.